What's up, you guys? It's Captain Frandy, and I'm just checking to make sure this VBOR metal furnace can make it up to 1150, which is close to 2102 Fahrenheit, which is the melting point of copper, or just over. Copper, silver, and gold are just under 2100 degrees. I believe all just over 1900 degrees. So this is going to be a great test to see if this can melt some copper pipe. What's up, you guys? I added a piece of copper pipe, and as you can see, it hasn't started melting quite just yet. So according to the furnace, we are at 1109 Celsius, which is over the melting point of copper, which is just under 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is roughly like 1085 Celsius, I believe. So we are over the melting point of copper, but the copper pipe is not melting. So we'll do another update and hopefully we'll have some melted copper. 1111 Celsius, and as you can see, the copper is completely melted. This is going to be our very first copper pour.